Hey, what's up everyone? It is Thais here. So I partner with BetterLength to show you how I get my 4C natural hair into a low, sleek ponytail using their 100% virgin human hair drawstring ponytail. For this ponytail, I will be going with a deep side part with a bit of a curve to it. So I'm using the end of a comb, and I'm using a comb with a nice pointy tip so that the part can be really precise. So I start at the front and then I curve the comb around. So I'm not doing a straight part, it's a nice soft curved part. So if your part looks dry, all you have to do is add some oil and it will definitely jazz it up. So now that I have my nice defined part, I'm going ahead and spraying my hair with some water just to slightly dampen it. You don't want it to be dripping wet. And then I go ahead and use my Alake Naturals lemongrass gel on my edges. This is the gel that works best for my thick natural hair. And then I follow up with a little bit of edge control on top of that gel before brushing it in with my broad bristle brush. So since my hair is really thick and it's not long enough to just pull it back into a ponytail, I will be securing that first section into a ponytail just to allow it to set and rest and lay sleek while I work on the opposite side. So now that both of those sections are resting in those individual ponytails, I will be allowing my hair to set and lay flat with my Humble Glow Deluxe satin scarf. So this is going to give me enough time to prep my ponytail and also allow my hair to set, allow that gel to dry down a bit and mold into that sleek look as much as possible. Now it's time to prep my BetterLength 100% virgin human hair drawstring ponytail. So I did get my ponytail in the texture Kinky Curly, and this ponytail is in the length of 16 inches. So I will leave the link down below to where you can find this amazing ponytail. It looks so natural, y'all, and it's so soft. You can dye this ponytail, you can wash it, you can treat it just like your natural hair, and I love the fact that it is high quality and I know it'll last me for a very long time, and it's perfect for when I just want to pop on a little quick protective style. So I'm going ahead and dampening that ponytail just to activate the kinky curly curls in there. And in this ponytail you can see it has a weft, so it has two hooks. This is what you're going to use to hook it to your hair, and then the drawstring is going to tighten it and secure it so that it doesn't move while you're out and about. You don't have to worry about it falling off because it is nice and secure. So now it's time for me to go ahead and finish up my ponytail. So those sections are nice and set. So this is going to make it a lot easier for me to put my hair in one ponytail without having to risk ruining that mold or ruining that form. So after 10 to 15 minutes, I feel like my hair is somewhat molded into that form. So I will be removing both of these ponytails and then combining it into one full ponytail. So now I will be brushing up that ponytail, brushing under the ponytail, and also brushing on top of it. So don't be frustrated if you feel like your hair looks a bit rough right now. We are going to be setting it again. So while you're wrapping your ponytail, make sure that your final wrap, you fold your hair over into a bun. So now I will be applying my ponytail, and I start by hooking the top hook to the top of that bun, and then I hook the second hook under that bun close to where the ponytail holder sits. So after hooking that top and bottom, then I go ahead and pull that drawstring. So I hold the end of that drawstring and then pull the claps as tight as possible around that ponytail. Make sure it is nice and secure and it doesn't move before I wrap it around itself. Okay, so this is the end result of my natural looking ponytail. No hard gel cast over my head. It looks really, really natural with the light amount of gel that I use. And the ponytail blends in so well with my 4C natural hair when it's sleek back. I cannot even tell it's not my hair. And the hair feels really high quality. It feels really, really good. The 100% virgin texture of it, you can definitely feel and see the quality of this hair. So yeah, I don't have any complaints with this ponytail. It is just so beautiful, so gorgeous, and I'm really excited to continue enjoying this ponytail for months to come in my natural hair journey. So I will leave the link down below where you can find it and a coupon code where you can save $5 off your purchase in the description box below. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to check out BetterLength.